Hi everyone, and welcome to another video on the Casio CTS-1000V. And in this short video, I'm just going to be showing you some of the Casio classic tones that come with the keyboard. This is an obvious difference to the CTX range, and you'll find these on the keyboard if you go to the categories which are printed in the Quick Start Guide. Use the plus and minus buttons here. Just below the screen will get you to various categories. So I've got it on Casio Classic Tones, and let's just go right the way back to the beginning. And the first one they come up with is a VL tone. Which was a very old keyboard with some electronic tones built into it, maybe the first keyboard that anybody purchased. And we've got the tone here, and then below in the bottom octave some rhythms taken from the keyboard as well. And just by playing some notes in the bottom octave you can trigger some of those rhythms. So that's a VL tone. Let's move on. Again, from the original Casiotone series is an electric piano. And another Casiotone original harp. And then we move on to some CZ synth tones, starting with a CZ bass. And a CZ trumpet. And a CZ violin. And a CZ piano. CZ guitar. CZ lead, which is monophonic, so it only plays one note. And if you play more than one note on the keyboard, it'll re-trigger the note when you let go. Another lead tone. And then from the VZ series, from the VZ keyboard, C God. And VZ brass. VZ bass. VZ harp. A VZ lead. Again, this is a monophonic tone. Another lead. And then after that we're into world music instruments. So thanks for watching. Hope that was a useful brief introduction to some of the classic tones from Casio in the past.